Today I'm going to show you how to make sure your Ingersoll Rand style impact wrench is getting grease right up in here. It does have a grease fitting right here, but I don't always like to use that because you're not sure how much grease. Too much and it slows it down. Too little and you're not getting enough grease up there. So the first step is to set it down just like that, and then remove these 3 screws. Once those are removed, you can just slide this right off. There's a little gasket right there. Then what you want to do is just remove this. That comes off just like that. There's a washer right here. You just put that right back down there. Set this off to the side. What you can do then is pull this out like that and just set these things down. Be careful, there's pins right here that can fall out. This comes apart real easy, but no sense. Then all I do is I take a little bit of grease and I make sure that this is all greased up nice. Like that. Again, too much and it's going to slow your tool down. And then I just make sure that I have some in there. Okay? And I put this guy back in. Alright? Then I just make sure that it has grease all the way around. Just grease it up real nice like that. Bring the tool back over and set that back down on there. That's enough. That's enough grease. Too much and it's going to slow it down. Then all you have to do is put your cover back on and screw that down. So I went ahead and tightened these 3 Allen screws down. I put a few drops of air tool oil in the end here. Again, I don't like to use this grease fitting because I'm not sure how much grease I'm getting in here. I like to do it by hand by taking this cover off. So let's hook up the air and see how it sounds. And if we put a socket on there, this is good to go for quite a long time. I'm sure that I have grease in there. I feel good about it. If you like the channel, please subscribe, and hope you enjoy the video.